This is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today as part of an open collaboration called #EmbellishWithUsWednesdays, and that is an open collaboration hosted by Gigiscoolcreations and Mariann's Craft Corner. And the whole desire is that you would create embellishments with things that are already in your stash. And so everything I made today is with scraps or things that I have had in my stash for a while. So I made butterflies, and I'm going to show you different ways to use them. So I use this butterfly punch, which I actually got from Stampin' Up. It punches out 2 butterflies at once. I used some little floral stamens, and then I just went to town on my paper scraps. And so here are some sweet little butterflies that I made. They are 3 layers, as you can see over there, and I used matte paper as well as this metallic paper, and you can vary the patterns on them as well. You don't have to use all of the same papers. So like this has a plaid paper on it, and then some other papers on top that coordinate with it. So you can really go to town and use your scraps. And so once you've got these made, there's so many ways you can use them. So here's one example. Someone gifted me this sweet heart shaker a while ago, and I haven't had a chance to use it yet. So what did I do? I added just a double bow to the bottom, and I added a sweet little butterfly to the top. Isn't that so great? And now this would be so great on a card front, or you could even add like a sentiment and make it as part of a bag topper or just a regular old embellishment. So I think that is so sweet. And then I made larger ones, and I used my sewing machine. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about learning how to sew. And so here are my larger ones, and they are also 3 layers, and all of them are stitched. I stitched with light pink thread, and I used the same stamens in matte as well as in the gold. And you can see here, look, I just punched this same paper out 2 different directions because that's what worked with my punch, the spacing, and then I have a wider one in the middle. And so this one, I've got the same paper on the top and the bottom and a different one in the middle. So I just think these are so sweet. And I was able to stitch a pretty straight line because I figured out that my sewing needle was to the left and I was lining up to the right. So those of you who sew, I'm sure, are getting a good laugh out of that. Okay, so then how did I use it? So I made this, which is, I'm probably going to use in a tag flip that I'm making. And so I used a Project Life card. I made this hugs. I stitched the hugs, and I added one of these sweet butterflies to it. And I think that is so sweet. But you could also use this as a bag topper, or a card front. But I saw Des from Turtle Dove making these beautiful crepe paper strips. And I will put a link to her video in the description below so you can check it out. This would look so cute mounted on top of one of those strips. So I love the way that that looks. You can even make something that is more masculine, like look at this like wood grain on here, look a little more feminine. So if you go in here, and then you could add like this sweet little butterfly like right into the middle of the H, or you could plop it right there on the top of the G or on top of the S too. Would be so cute. So you can add little butterflies to these. And then I made a crepe paper rosette. Isn't that so sweet? So again, this is a double layered crepe paper rosette that I made. And then I've got a double bow underneath, and then I've got that sweet butterfly on top as the embellishment. So these are all my project shares today. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would so love it if you do. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And I really appreciate all of you thumbs up givers as well. And please use that hashtag #EmbellishWithUsWednesdays to check out all the other amazing creators and get some incredible inspiration. And I hope you have an amazing day.